Hi everyone, David Lewis here, and today I want to share with you an idea that came to me when I was a teenager, and I used it when I sold cars. It just worked fantastic. And what you have to remember is that people love to see themselves in their cars. Their cars are an extension of them and who they are. And this is what happened. Years ago when I was a teenager, I remember driving down my main street in town with my friend Tommy. I was sitting in his car, I was sitting in the passenger seat, and he had a beautiful 1972 Chevelle with the souped up wheels and it was fantastic. And we're driving down the street, and he said to me, "Hey, you want to see the coolest car in town? It's coming up here on the right." And I said, "Oh yeah, absolutely." He goes, "Okay, it's coming up. And I'm looking out the right side window, and all of a sudden he goes, "There it is." And I'm looking, I see no car. And then I realized what he was showing me was the reflection of his car in the storefront windows. And it looked cool. And I got to tell you something. You kind of sit up a little bit, and then you look at yourself in the car. So here's my idea. I used to do this all the time. When you do your demonstration drive, you have to find a place where there is a storefront window or some sort of glass or something where the customer can pull up, stop, and look to the left, look out the driver's side window, and see themselves in that reflection. This is ultimate mental ownership. You are going to see people sit up, maybe put their hands on the steering wheel. They're going to look at themselves. They're going to look up and down the car lines. This is awesome for creating, again, that ultimate mental ownership. Give it a try. This is one of the few things I guarantee you're going to have some great success from. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.